Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, like this video and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Now, if everything went according to plan, you should be watching this video in the morning of the Black Friday, because it's a Black Friday tech whole main stuff. Obviously, as you guys can see, they were all bought from Take A Lot, but this is not a sponsored video. So we're gonna go through these boxes and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Some packages I'm gonna unbox, some I'm gonna reserve maybe to do reels later, but let's jump quickly inside and I'm gonna be showing you guys what's inside these boxes. Now, this video also is gonna be including a 200 Rand voucher of your choosing giveaway, which I'm gonna explain more later on what you have to do to enter that giveaway. All right, let's start with the smaller box. We're gonna put the bigger box on the side, on the floor, and then we're going to start with the smaller box. Now, these packages I picked up from Take A Lot's depot. Normally when you do that, you tend to cut maybe a day or two on the shipping. These things were supposed to arrive on Saturday, but they arrive on the Thursday, which is the Thursday before the Black Friday. So let's see exactly what we have in the smaller box. Doesn't really seem like a lot, but it does seem like the main things are actually in the smaller box. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to put these ones on the side and do those ones last. Sorry about that. Okay, let's start with the big box. Talking about big box, most of you actually know that I am a MyUS ambassador, and in November, which is a month with a lot of sales, making use of MyUS to buy overseas can actually be a plus. Now, as a MyUS ambassador, if you use my link, which is always down in the description, if you use the link to sign up, you get a 1-year premium membership free of charge, or a 3 months business membership also free of charge. And furthermore, if you use my code PMHK on your first shipping, you're gonna get an extra 20% savings on the shipping cost. Hopefully all that I said is right, but all this information you can find down in the description. All right, so this is the not so hyped box. Some of the stuff that are in this box are from my dad. He's actually in the country right now visiting me. This is the first one. He bought this thing so he can put his clothing. I don't think this was on sale. Some of the stuff on Take A Lot right now, even before Black Friday, are on sale. They have what they call the blue dot sale, which is just like Black Friday, but their own version. So this thing is to put on the door to hang clothing. You guys can definitely see, but we don't want to see that. And then we have some tempered glass. This is an iPhone 7 Plus tempered glass for my mother's phone. You can also see that not everything in this box actually was meant for me. And then you have a case also for her phone. She was crying that her case is old, so let me show you actually what case this is, because I guess this one we can actually go through and I can show you what this is, because I don't think she will mind. All right, this is a silicone case. I normally like these cases because they are see-through. You can get to display your phone itself, and you can actually also have a little bit of protection. Some Android phones actually includes these in the box, which is actually good, something that Apple does not do. All right, next up we have a stand. Again, this stand, yeah, I think there's a lot of things for my mom in this package. This stand here, I think, was also on sale. It's similar to the previous stand that I had from my iPad Air 4, but I think this is a more improved version, because I really feel like this one looks a little bit better than that one. Now, this is a stand for your phone or tablet. I'm guessing you put it like that and then you twist and it should hold. Okay, put like that, twist, and that's about it. I think also you can replace that one and put this here, but basically this is going to hold your phone or your tablet. Same brand as the other one. This is Youbao. You can put a phone and a tablet, or a tablet and a phone if it fits down there. And you can use this on your desk setup. You can use this to watch movies and, I don't know, type email, game, depending on what you're going to be using these things for. All right, and then the next one on this big box is a Rev Power power bank, which I'm seeing the box is really not reminiscent of the other one. I'm saying it's not reminiscent because this is similar to the power bank that I have, the one that displays the percentage charged or percentage used. So let's unbox. This guy was also on sale for I think 1,000 Rand. Have in mind that this one is a Rev Power 20,000 milliamp. Mine was around or is around 1,000 milliamp or 10,000 milliamps, and this is 20,000. Mine is around 10,000 milliamps hour, and it costs the same price as this one, at least back when I bought it. Now this one is a little bit bigger than the one I have, okay? And unfortunately this one doesn't come with the screen. This is actually sort of an older model, but because this guy here comes with a 20,000 milliamp, she is going to make better use of it. This thing's coming handy even here in South Africa now that Eskom is behaving like the power utilities in Angola. But yeah, nothing much to say about this guy. Supports PD. This is the iPhone's fast charging standard. It will also support QC3, which is the Android side fast charging. And the size is actually a little bit twice bigger than the one that I have. It also comes with the USB-C to USB-C for you to charge. Moving to the last box, which I already opened first. I didn't want to go through this one because I have some of big devices here. We're going to start with the phone. Although this is a big device, is a small device in the sense that this is the Samsung Core A3. This is a budget phone. These phones that I'm doing budget videos, at least two of them are phones that my parents bought, which they're going to go back home in Angola to gift to people. So we bought first two. This is the Samsung A3. We also got the Hisense U40 Lite, which, by the way, I made a reel on that phone, and that reel has over 10k views, which is actually a viral video in my books, because I posted that video 9 in the morning, if not 10, and by 5 o'clock in the afternoon it had already 10,000 views. My videos get maximum of around 6,000 views on a good day. But yeah, this is a budget phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy A3 Core in black. It has dual SIM. I'm also going to do an ASMR reel for my reels on Instagram. If you wanna see me unboxing this guy, that's where you're gonna see. Unfortunately, I'm sorry that I couldn't unbox this here in front of you, which is basically what we're here for. Okay, let's chuck that on the side. And last but not least is the main guy of this unboxing. This is the Aqara camera hub. This is the G2H. Now this guy here, it's not just a camera, but as it says camera hub, it's also a hub whereby other Aqara devices can connect. Now Aqara has multiple hubs that they use to connect their devices, but I got mainly this one because I can put this one as a camera and I can actually also have it as a hub, which I'm going to use to connect my smart switch that I unboxed a couple of videos back. I don't remember exactly which one, but I have that smart switch just sitting there unable to be used because it needs a hub. Now in this video, let's unbox this guy, and on the next video where I'm going to feature this device is going to be how to build or building South Africa's smartest home DIY, or building South Africa's smart home DIY. I'm still battling with the title, but you guys can actually suggest them down in the comments. But yeah, as I was saying, this is a camera. Let's remove it from the bag. As the camera is actually really not that big, it's tiny, but have in mind that I actually kind of have big hands. So that's the camera. Which other accessories does it come? We're gonna speak more about this camera on that video that I'm keep referring to. but I just want to show you guys what exactly comes in the box. You should have the power accessories here. So you have your micro USB cable with the 2-pin plug, which we use here, and then you have a 3M adhesive stick for you to stick it maybe on the ceiling or wherever you are planning to put this guy. Now, some information on this, it works with Apple HomeKit, obviously, which is the main reason I'm getting this guy and nothing else. And yeah, you have a IR night vision. It records up to 1080p of high definition, and you have home automation, motion detection, playback, two-way audio, abnormal sound monitoring, and 140 wide angle view. Right, camera hub G2H. All right, hopefully you made it to the end of this video. Now, for the giveaway, the 200 Rand voucher of your choosing, for you to enter the giveaway, you mainly need to be subscribed to the channel. You need to like this video. You need also to be following me on Instagram on my both accounts, which I'm going to link down in the comments. And I'm going to raffle between the first 4 people that comment on this video, Homekrafted. So you have to comment Homekrafted, then I'm gonna pick between the 4 comments and I'm gonna raffle between them. So 4 comments or 4 people that are gonna comment first raffled, and I'm gonna pick one next week Friday, which is going to be a week from the posting of this video. All right, this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Black Friday. Obviously, make sure you give this video a like, also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace.